Ating lunch for today. Lagyan natin siya ng gatas. Yan. Para masarap. Wow. Yummy ang ating lunch for today. Wow. Yan ang ating lunch. Sarap ng lunch natin. Manok na may sopas. Macaroni soup. Macaroni soup. Wow, luto na guys ang ating breakfast, lunch. So yummy. Chicken macaroni soup. Wow, sarap. Let's eat. Thank you for watching sa aking lunch for today. Macaroni chicken soup. Ang aking ulam ay napakasarap. Lagyan pa natin ng milk guys. Gusto ko yung magatas siya. Yan ang ating ulam. So yummy. Pakulin pa natin. Wow. So yummy. Ang aking ulam for today. Ang sarap. Sarap ng aking ulam. Chicken macaroni soup. Yan ang ating ulam for today. Lunch pala. Yan. Yummy, yummy. Luto na, pakainin ko na yung aking alaga. Gutom na yung mga yon. Yan ang ating ulam for today. So yummy, yummy. Let's eat na guys. Ang aking macaroni chicken soup. Wow. Wow. Luto na to guys. Yummy, yummy ang aming ulam. Ulam lunch. Ganito na guys. No rice. Yan ang ating pagkain for today. So yummy. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. God bless po.